Okay, so guys, if you click this video, chances are you figured apple pie is going to sell $1,000 in a day. And that's kind of what we're going to talk about in this video, right? If you don't know who we are, my name is Mark Augustine. I've been drop shipping on eBay since 2011, which is a very long time. I've also drop shipped on Facebook, Walmart, Amazon, and TikTok. And this gentleman, Apple Pie, I had him on a video yesterday or the day before with Ronnie, and we talked about him selling $127,000 on eBay. So before we started to record, you were anxiously waiting to see if you'll hit $1,000 today, and you hit
Yeah,
it.
I just hit it. I had $100. I had a bunch of big orders today, actually. If we go to today was a good day. It doesn't get this good. Average sales per item
You want to
were
share your
40.
screen so they can
Sure,
see?
sure, 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 sure. Gotta request it.
Yeah.
Average sales today were $42 an item, 26 units to 13 buyers. So most buyers bought multiple products today, is what that comes out to.
Ah, right. Okay, 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 okay.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. And is
So.
it how do you set your goals? Is that you usually try to get $1,000 a day? Is it based on what you're selling? How do you set your goals to get to $1,000 a day? And then how did you get to $1,000?
Yeah, so if we look at the breakdown here, this one product I sold 8 units at, I think I sold it at 70 something dollars, $78. Buyer reached out to me. They're like, I need as many as you can get. How much for eight? And I was like, okay, you want eight. I understand what's going on here. Because I'll sell them as many as they'll buy. So I sent them an offer for 5% off at 8 units. Came out to $683. So net, I got 113 off of that. And then I placed that order on AliExpress and ended up getting $100 cash back on that order too. So that order, we probably made about 150 on that order. And
Nice.
believe it or
Okay,
not,
okay, okay.
this
And guys,
product,
well, hold on. Guys, I think it's
Mhm.
important that you guys are watching. I do a lot of videos on drop shipping, specifically from Amazon to eBay, but Apple Pie does both Amazon to eBay and AliExpress to eBay, and a big portion of its sales are from AliExpress to eBay. But go
Yeah.
ahead.
So yeah, a lot of my sales come from AliExpress. And actually this product here, I mentioned in the last video, this was my second product I've ever listed on my eBay store. And I said I didn't want to say it because it still sells. And this is an
Right.
example. When this product sells, it sells. In the name of it is like bulk blah 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 or like for bulk purpose or whatever. I like the idea is I want to sell this product in bulk basically exclusively.
Ah,
It's a
okay,
product
okay,
that
okay, okay,
it's a
okay.
product that teachers buy a lot of. So it's very seasonal, right? Beginning of summer or end of summer, there's a bunch of sales. And then throughout the year, there's a bunch of big sales too.
And did
Um,
you use Ecom Sniper to do the product research on that item or no?
on this specific item, no. This was a product I stumbled across years before I
Right,
found
right, right. I
Ecom
remember you
Sniper.
brought that up. But do you use Ecom Sniper to do product research on items that come from AliExpress? I'm trying to
Yeah, yeah,
figure
yeah.
out. Okay.
I'm debating how much time I want to put into this, but
No, we
I
don't
can.
have to. No, 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 no. I just
Yeah,
wanted. I know you have a lot of things going on, right? So, guys, if you're watching the channel, I'm just trying to get Apple Pie on the channel regularly so we can just talk eBay dropshipping, share with you guys a couple things. He hit $1,000 in sales. Anyway, go ahead. You're saying you
yeah,
want
yeah.
to think about
I,
what
I do a
what's
few
up.
interesting things without giving away too many details, right? I do AliExpress to eBay. I do
Right,
Amazon to eBay.
right,
I do other vendors to eBay.
right.
Um, and then when I do Amazon to eBay, often we'll do Amazon to eBay with a twist. So one of the things I do are Amazon to eBay, but in other languages, is what I'll say. I don't want to give away too many details here, but like one of the things I do when I bulk list is I don't
Right,
bulk list in English.
right. Okay,
Just
okay, okay.
because I'm competing against like many of my sales come from external clicks, right?
Right,
And I'm competing against both a smaller audience off eBay, right? If you buy promoted ads through the percentage program with eBay, like they're not going to tell you this, but they run all ads off site. They
right,
like aren't
right, right.
obliged to, but they will if it makes sense. And they're bidding against people at a lower rate if you're in another language. And because I'm part of the international program, seller program, that helps as well. The other thing I recently did, which has led to some crazy orders, is I added every country in the world for I think $50 shipping or something. Because with
Huh.
Pirate Ship, with Pirate Ship simple export rate, You can buy like any label under 4 pounds for like 25 bucks anywhere in the world.
Right,
So I know there's no chance where I can't make the order, and 90% of the time it's an AliExpress item, and AliExpress ships anywhere. So I end up paying like $10 and getting $70 in exchange for that $10 item just because of that
right,
$50 shipping thing. But yeah, so I list in other languages because when it's advertised when eBay advertises offsite for those products, it's more likely to sell because they're bidding against less people.
right.
eBay
Okay,
is.
okay. And do you use the prompt in Ecom Sniper to list in other languages, or you just
I do not.
okay, 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 okay.
I do not.
Have you
Yeah.
ever thought about doing that?
I
You know,
don't
you can
need
add
to.
your own prompts in the bulk
Yeah,
listing,
yeah. I mean,
right?
I was doing this before. I haven't bulk listed in like I haven't listed in months.
Right.
Um,
Okay, okay, okay.
just because I don't have the time and like if I put more time into it, if I did product research, like I don't really do the math on it, but I'm 100% making at least $100 an hour anytime I'm doing product research, just because
Right,
like
right,
when
exactly.
I do product research, I can do it for 2 hours and know that every single product I found is going to make me at least $50 a month per minute of my time. It's worth it.
Right. When I do product research, it works out to be about $200 an hour. And
Yeah,
I showed it in a video like 3 weeks ago, and I showed me doing the product research, and I showed the item selling, and I showed the profit.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So it's definitely worth doing. But why was I saying this? Right, yeah, yeah. For bulk listing, I do not use the ecom sniper prompt. I actually basic list because I
Ah,
don't need to. It's another
right,
language.
right, right, right.
I'm a very low maintenance person for Sammy.
That's funny.
Yeah.
Okay, 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 okay. All right, guys. So I just wanted Apple Pie on the channel to give you guys a couple tips on what he does to get his sales boosted a bit. We're not going to, these videos are going to be kind of short because obviously he has a life of his own outside of eBay and outside of YouTube. But if you want to check out Ecom Sniper, there's a link in the description. If you want to ask any questions, I'll put a link to our Telegram and so on, and you can leave a comment in the comment section. But you want to say anything before you go, Apple Pie?
No, I think that's it.
Yeah, you want to be very limited with what you share today, I noticed. All
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
right,
In
cool.
general, but
All right, guys, like, subscribe, and look forward. If you want Apple Pie in another video, let me know in the comment section as well.